What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and in this video today, we're going to be taking a look at the Lightsaber Wolf L4X Auto Dolly by Yelangu. So I'm pretty sure there's a few of you guys that's thinking to yourself like, hey Jay, we already took a look at a product like this on the channel before, and you, my friend, you are correct. However, in this video, I just want to kind of breeze through it real quick, just in case you're on the fence about getting one and you see both versions. And like I said earlier, because we've already taken a look at a product like this, I want to give back to you guys and I want to allow you the opportunity to win this device. So make sure you stay tuned to the very end of the video so you can figure out how you can actually win this dolly. So I just want to also say thank you to Yelangu for actually sending this out. I really do appreciate any and everything we get right here on the channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then go ahead and press all those little buttons at the bottom of the screen. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so if you are in the market for a device like this, you can find it right here on Amazon. I'll make sure I throw a link up in the description, but the price is about $69.99, and you can also apply a 15% coupon at checkout. But this is the Yelangu Motorized Auto Dolly video slider with remote, rechargeable, and 3 speeds on it as well. And just because I want to throw this out here, just know that there are a lot of different companies that make a device like this, so just keep that in mind. I have an Andua one sitting on my shelf. Companies like Nura makes one, and Yelangu as well. So just keep that in mind if you're searching through online and you see that other companies is making it. This is the purpose of this video, so that you can know what you're getting yourself into as far as price and as far as what's gonna come with it. So let's go ahead and scroll through and see what else we can find. So right here just gives you a picture of everything that you're gonna get. Just another picture of the actual device. You can put your DSLR on it, things like that. Got your remote. You can actually put it on a slider. So if you have a slider that's compatible, you can throw it up on a slider. So basically, honestly, that's just really about it. Tells you how it moves as far as forward, backward, how to angle the legs and things like that. So like I said, we've taken a look at something like this before. So I'll throw some of those B-roll shots in to show you how smooth of a shot you can get with this device. But we'll go ahead and dive right into this box and just take a look at everything that comes in it so you can know what you're going to get if you buy this product. All right, so looking at this box real quick, just has some branding. I do love the presentation of this box. It feels very good in the hands. Box is pretty heavy. Graphics is looking perfect and on point. But right here on the back just has a lot of little detailed information about the actual device. Charging time is about 3 hours. Lifetime after you charge it is about 6. Maximum load bearing is about 3 kilograms. Shows you right here that you can put a DSLR on it. Got a different color version there, and it just kind of gives you like a whole little picture of, you know, it going into that circle around whatever object that you probably place in the middle. All right, so once you take off the top, you're going to be greeted with the manual right here, just like the other one that I have. Just shows you how to use it and things like that. You're gonna have your warranty card right here in a plastic little sleeve. You're gonna have your extra tools and your extra little wheel right here, and you're going to have your micro USB right here next. Oh, and also keep in mind, I'm not trying to be reckless with this unboxing because I'm going to be giving this thing away, so I just want to keep everything kind of pure. And because we've already taken a look at something just like this on the channel, I'm not going to go so far in depth. All right, guys, so after that, you're going to have your little screw head right here. You got your 1/4 and your 8 right here, so you can just screw this in right here on the actual dolly itself for whatever it is that you need. You got your remote control right here. I won't take the remote control out and use it because it has a little plastic piece on the inside. Now I just want to keep it completely pure as possible, so whoever wins this device can get that true unboxing experience. But taking this out of the box right here, let me move this off to the side. Let's take a quick look at it, even though we've seen this before. You got your little legs right here with your feet on them. Got your wheels, your motors right here in the back. You got your Yelangu branding. On this side right here, you got your speed and your forward and reverse controls right there. On this side right here, you're going to have your your USB cable, and you're going to have your on and off switch right here. So once you turn it on, you will see the speed indicator right here. Press it one time, you'll be in slow, medium, and high. And then all you do is press this button right here, and that's how it moves back and forth the other way, just like that. And all you do is put whatever it is that you want to use with it. In this case, we'll screw this in right here. So let's say you screw like a phone clip or something in here, just like this. Once you get it in, you can place your phone in, and that's what it's going to look like for you. But keep in mind, this one didn't come with a ball head, so you will have to get a ball head, or if not, you will be stuck in a fixed position just like this. So with that being said, guys, I got those B-roll clips from the other one that we did because I didn't get any B-roll clips with this. So take a look at those B-roll clips for me real quick and make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see how you can win. Okay, guys, so we're going to be giving this device away once we hit about 500 subscribers. All you got to do to win and or to enter is just subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button and comment Lightsaber Wolf in the comment section below. Also, I'm going to need you to follow me on Twitter because that's where I will announce and that's where I will talk to the actual winner. So make sure you are following me on Twitter. That way you can know if you actually win. One thing to keep in mind is that I will not come out and put another video out as far as this giveaway is concerned. Once we hit 500 subscribers, I'll come back to this video and I'll just check all the comments and I'll see who subscribed, who dropped a comment, and who's following me on Twitter. And I'll just pick a winner and I'll make sure I shout you out on Twitter and DM you and things like that. So you'll get a shout out on Twitter first saying that you won, and then I'll DM you for your address and things like that. One other thing to note is that this is only for US. I can only ship to US right now. So make sure you do all those things real quick, guys. And once we hit 500 subscribers, be on the lookout to see if you actually win the Lightsaber Wolf Dolly. Now, if you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.